when using aperture priority or shutter priority mode and evaluative metering and you're using ETTL flash mode, there's nothing you have to do if you're using full flash. So the camera will automatically give you good exposure. The problem comes into play when you're using fill flash. Camera does not recognize this, so you kind of have to be your own computer and compensate for this. In this case, I'm using my own numbers here. It may vary somewhat, but what I found works for me is if you set a negative one-stop negative fill on the flash, then you want to set a positive 1/3 stop exposure for ambient exposure, and that's one click on the camera wheel. For 2 stops negative fill, I've found that you set a plus 2/3 stops of ambient exposure, which is 2 clicks on the wheel. For 3 stops negative fill flash, then you add a plus 2/3 stop of ambient exposure. Then you just focus on the eye, put the focus point on the eye, and take the shot, and you should be good. The main thing to remember is that anytime you're doing fill flash in aperture priority or shutter priority program mode, that you have to add ambient exposure to compensate, and that's it.